So, now that we've downloaded this library, why don't we use it for something? Let's jump back to the file browser and go back to our resource pack, and let's copy this second step and go back to our examples folder. We'll paste it in and rename it index.php. If we open up this file, we'll see a really simple use case here. First of all, we require our autoload.php file. From our previous examples, you have a sense of what this is. It includes our autoloader and sets up any mapping between namespaces and folders that we need. So by including this, it allows us to use any class that we downloaded through Composer. All we need to do is instantiate the class, and the class will be included in our script. We're using our use keyword, again, in order to make it simpler to use the methods inside of the inflector class. We're setting up a variable, a singular variable, for mouse, and then we're using the inflector library, and we're using the pluralize method in order to pluralize this singular variable. So ideally, you would expect something like mice to come out. And just to make sure everything is working, we're going to print out the plural of singular, which would be mouse, is plural, which should be mice. Squeaks! Let's see if it worked. I'm going to go back to the browser and navigate to the examples folder inside of the Drupal directory that we've been using for examples so far. So again, this is a folder called examples inside of our base Drupal directory. We now have a Composer folder, and so let's navigate to it. And if we look at the code here, it says the plural of mouse is mice. Squeaks. Perfect.